Vas-y, un clap. Hop.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we are here with our friends, the band Hate for Pain. I'm here with Julien,
Yes.
who is the leader and
Yeah.
guitar player.
Yeah, I am the leader, guitar player, compositor, and the genius of the band.
So they are playing metal, very cool band. We will put a link below. So please subscribe to them, like them, and listen to their music. It's really very cool. You know, I discovered them. There was a tattoo convention where they was playing. I was going crazy, you know. Then I contacted Julien. Really, you know, first I just bought some goodies, their pins or something, and it was really cool.
Thank you. This is a mock metal, mocking metal. I don't know. This is in French, actually. So maybe you will don't understand, but maybe the vibe will.
You will maybe not understand, but you will enjoy for sure.
Yeah.
You will enjoy.
Yeah.
Music is the language.
Eh bien, moi, je suis dans le groupe Prépuce. C'est le petit bout de peau qui est au bout de la bite. Et je joue de la guitare et je chante dans le groupe Hate for Pain. Et je compose aussi la plupart des musiques. Et je dessine aussi, parce qu'on a, on a un album qui est sorti il n'y a pas longtemps et je fais les dessins, le graphisme, etc. Et le montage vidéo. Et sinon, mon vrai prénom c'est Julien.
Eh ben salut, moi c'est Frotis et je suis le bassiste du groupe Hate for Pain. Tout à l'heure on a vu que Prépuce faisait tout ce qui était dessin, tout ce qui était composition, et ben moi je fais tout le reste, c'est-à-dire que je porte le matériel sur scène et je range après. Voilà, c'est mon rôle principal à moi. Et sinon dans ma vie de tous les jours, je suis Flo.
Ouais, bah moi c'est Sandwich. Alors bah il y a Prépuce qui fait toute la musique, les dessins, tout ça. Il y a Frotis qui porte le matos. Et bah moi je vide les fûts et je fais un petit peu de batterie accessoirement dans le groupe. Voilà, bisous.
Avec les gants, c'est pas facile. Est-ce que ça va, Pannard? Let's go!
I'm a man, not a kid, or not a thing, not a hippo, rolling through my life without a leash. I am the greatest city got some baits always ready. Stay out as I get all in whiskey. Engine screaming loud, rolling up the night. A cop can catch my head, got me for the light. Colors on my bed, runners on my side. A highway straight to hell, fuck shit, so let us ride. I'm not keeping quiet, if some shit can deny it. Built them made from metal, just the pain. If I'm wrong, maybe plenty. Devil Foxy gave me 20, so I bought the Harley Green and flame. Engine screaming loud, rolling up the night. Cops can kiss my head, gunning for the light. Cutters on my back, brothers on my side. Found his way to hell, fuck, check, let it right. Of the night, the cops can catch my head. A gun is for the light. Colors on my back, brothers on my side. Brothers in the hell, fuck, check, let it ride.
Château de Pannard! Thank you, Pannard!
Ladies and gentlemen, so today I was happy to make a clip with the band Hate for Pain. They're really, I don't know, amazing. It was the first experience when we were playing with a professional band. We had a lot of things to learn, you know, for example, for the sound, we had to learn a lot of things. Finally, you know, I think we managed to do something nice, and here it was a pure creation. It was the song I wrote, and finally we did something really cool. Well, the people who were here with us, they appreciated it a lot. So I think they will come to some further videos. You know, they're friends of mine, so that's why I really want them to participate. And it was a very cool day, you know, work hard, party hard, that's what we are doing. So please like, subscribe, follow, comment, and see you soon.